In a village at the mountain's base, a young adventurer hears whispers of hidden treasure, sparking her spirit of curiosity and adventure. Armed with a worn map and a trusty compass, she sets off on a quest, her heart filled with courage and a sense of purpose. As she faces steep cliffs and treacherous terrain, the path to the treasure becomes increasingly fraught with danger and uncertainty. Encouraged by the villagers' gratitude and caution, Amelia's resolve strengthens, knowing she carries their hopes on her shoulders. Drawing closer to her goal, she confronts the foreboding entrance, her heart racing with both excitement and apprehension. The discovery of the fabled treasure elicits conflicting emotions within her, prompting a moment of reflection on the true nature of her quest. The allure of riches clashes with the values instilled by Blackbeard's legend, sparking a moral quandary that tests her integrity to its core. In a moment of selfless clarity, she chooses to share the treasure with the community, realizing that true wealth lies in the joy of giving. Amelia's act of generosity and honesty shines as a beacon of hope, illuminating a path towards a brighter future for the village and its inhabitants.